In this video, we show you how to fabricate aligners with UNIQ. Once the 3D model has been printed according to the plan, we begin the blocking out process. For this, we use Blue Blocker, applying the required amount precisely to the relevant areas of the model. Blocking out is a crucial step to compensate for sharp edges, deep undercuts, or irregular surfaces. It ensures that the thermoforming foil does not flow into depressions that could later cause poor fit of the aligner. This step is especially important when the model features complex structures or prominent attachments, creating a uniform surface that enables optimal adaptation of the foil. The model is then cured in the LC6 light oven. After curing, the model is ready for thermoforming with the Ministar S. UNIQ Plus PD is our monolayer aligner foil and stands out for its gentle initial forces and consistent memory effect. Unlike many multi-layer foils, UNIQ Plus PD provides consistent force application throughout the treatment and maintains its stability over time. All alternative foils can also be used with a thickness of 0.75 mm for this process. Each SCHEU Dental foil displays important information along its top edge, including the product name, ELOT and REF numbers, and the ideal heating time for manual input. A barcode is printed on the bottom edge, which can be scanned directly on the thermoforming unit. This allows the device to automatically set the appropriate parameters. Then press the Code Scan button on the Ministar S and scan the foil's barcode using the scanner on the right side of the unit. The thermoforming parameters will appear on the device display, and you will be guided step by step through the process. The Ministar S operates at a pressure of 4 bar and stands out for its compact design, making it ideal for environments with limited space. Despite its size, it offers full functionality and is compatible with the complete range of SCHEU Dental foils. After the cooling time has elapsed, another acoustic signal will sound. Press the air button on the device and wait for 3 seconds. The pressure chamber will depressurize, then unlock the chamber and remove the thermoformed model. For finishing, we use the LC Milling Tool C, SD Foil Scissors A and B, as well as the SCHEU Dental finishing set. The integrated protective foil can usually be removed easily after rough trimming. If removal is difficult, the HM Tricutter fine can be used. For further contouring of the aligner edge, first use the BioPerm trimmer, followed by the Dymo Pro Disc for final polishing. All components of the finishing set are also available for purchase individually. In addition, we use the LC Burr C to mill a relief cut along each side of the aligner. This provides patients with better grip, making it easier to insert and remove the aligner. After finishing, the aligner is ready for use by the patient. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit our website or contact us directly.